Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method on YouTube TV. For that, you need to first of all come to tv.youtube.com and you need to log in into your account. Next, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon. After that, you need to select the settings option. Now, once you are in your settings, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on membership. By default, in the membership option, you will be able to see your activated membership, and there you will also be able to see a manage option. So you need to click on that manage option where you will be able to see your currently active payment method. So right next to it, you can see the change option. So you need to click on the change option and you need to provide the new payment method that you want to add for your YouTube TV membership. Afterwards, you need to verify and activate the new payment method, and next time in your next billing cycle, YouTube TV will cut the payment from the changing payment method of yours. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.